July.
Yeah. Silang salamin. Yay. Sorry. I was still checking.
Sangray. No.
Salamat.
So, very beautiful.
I know your country. What you say?
Ang ganda.
Sobrang ganda.
Yeah, sobrang
You
ganda.
super.
Hello everyone! Happy Songkran! Today is April 13 and it's the first day of Songkran here in Bangkok. And ito na, nakaayos na ako. So here is my overall look. Hindi ko pa nakikita ng buo. But yeah, this will be my look for today, and my plans for today is visit some roads, makikisongkran ako. So basically that's it. I'm excited for today's first day of Songkran, so I'll bring you guys there. Hello! Good morning everyone! Today is another day. Kasi kahapon, nakakainis guys, nasayangan ako sa araw ko. Nagloko yung tiyan ko. I don't know, for whatever reason. Siguro nalamigan ako during Songkran. But yeah, I'm feeling a lot better. Nakainom na ako ng gamot. And today, we're going to Big C. And then after that, uwi lang kami saglit. Then punta na kami ng Icon Seal. And also, mag-i-Shatik kami. So, I'll see you guys there. Mwah!
These are all I got.
I'll get ice cream from here. Kasi wala doon, so I'm getting here. Masarap daw to, sabi nila. So let's try.
Valid. Ako pag hindi ako makatalog, tatrabaho ako para.
We are here in what hall? This is... Dito yung reclining booth. So we'll see kung saan. I think it's inside one of these. I don't know.
Pero iba-iba. Pinagsuran.
เองแรกตรงโน้นจ้ะโน้นที่น้ำอกเลย พอไหมไม่พอเนาะไม่ต้องถอดรองเท้าเจ๊ขึ้นไปเลย
ครับสถานสาธุชนร่วมสวดมนต์ถวายสังฆทานอุทิศ
Let's go the other way. Wow. Pares lang.
Tapos siya yung
Good morning, everyone. Today is my last day kasi bukas uwi na ako ng Philippines. So, today, ang gagawin ko lang is mag-shop lang ako sa some fruits sa palengke, mamalengke kami. And then, after that, balik kami here. And then, mag-check-in kami sa hotel para makapag-bonding, mag-swim. Although hindi ako mag-swim today. But, I'm planning to have Thai massage. So, hopefully, meron doon. And basically, we're just gonna chill. And I'm gonna try to weigh also my luggages kasi walang weighing scale dito. So, for sure, in the hotel, meron naman. So, yeah, that's it. I'll see you guys. Anyway, here is my outfit check. Huwag niyo pansinin guys yung kalat kasi I just packed last night. Here's my outfit check. Mamamalengke lang. Alam niyo, ang nagustuhan ko dito sa Bangkok is kahit anong suot mo, they wouldn't mind, as in hindi ka pagtitinginan kasi sanay na sila sa mga tourist. So yun yung nagustuhan ko here. I can wear whatever I want. Of course, may limitations, but like ganun lang talaga sila here. They don't care what you do or what you wear, which is nice. So yeah, yun lang.